Welcome aboard, let's go. I'm gonna try to do a couple of power loops here. Alright, the wind is coming from this direction. So I like to do it toward the wind, 200 feet. It's kind of power loop and dive. That's my favorite. Let's try another one. Okay, let's do it toward the sun. About 200 feet, kill it, and you can see the wind pushed me all the way toward the street, which I don't want to be there. I'm gonna try to do again towards the wind. Okay, let me turn to the right, throttle up, 200 feet, flip. My favorite tree right here, towards the sun, looks nice. I'm gonna try another one against the wind and see how that works. It's kinda, when it's tailwind, it's kinda pushing me way too much. Okay, here's 200 feet. Not bad. But it's not as smooth, I think. Let's try one right here. I'm right next, under the top of the water, so I don't be less than 200 feet. I'll be scared to do that. Give it a punch and hold it. Back to my favorite tree. And I'm bringing it back right now.